Holy shit, guys! What the fuck? Oh my gosh, totoo ba to, guys? Kakabasa lang natin. Holy shit! Hindi natin to, guys, inaasahan talaga, no? Oh my goodness. Luka Doncic has been traded to the Lakers for Anthony Davis, no? What the fuck? No, holy... Ha! Hindi pa rin tayo makapaniwala kasi akala ko talaga ang big trade ngayon is si Jimmy Butcher, no? What the fuck? Biglang si Luka. Holy fuck, Luka ex LeBron. Oh my goodness. Totoo ba to? What the freak? Grabe. So makuha ng Lakers is si Luka, Maxi Kleber, Markieff Morris. Tapos sa Mavs si Anthony Davis, Max Christie, 2029 Los Angeles Lakers first round pick. Tapos sa Jazz si Jalen Hood-Schifino, 2025 Clippers second round at 2025 Mavericks second round pick. Holy shit! Nakakaloko to, guys, ah. So, oh my goodness. Walang ibang nakapredict ng trade na to, guys, no? Nakakagulat. Mas nakakagulat pa to sa mga sagutan sa senatorial debate. Talaga namang holy shit moments, no? Hanggang ngayon, guys, di tayo makapaniwala sa nangyari kasi ang inaasahan talaga ng mga tao is si Jimmy Butler mapupunta ng Phoenix Suns or ng Houston Rockets or ng Golden State. Ato, Luka Doncic did not request a trade from the Dallas Mavericks. They did not warn him about a trade, and GM Nico Harrison said, "I believe defense wins championship." What? What? Oh my gosh! What the fuck is going on? Luka Doncic. Grabe, guys, trinid si Luka. Shit. Bata pa kasi ito si Luka, pare. Grabe to. Grabe reaction to, guys. So ayun lang, no. Grabe talaga. Napakatindi, napakalupit. Hindi ko inaasahan to, guys.